Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. I want to share with you a new toy that I got from Black Friday. You know, that Black Friday thing on Amazon, man, it just kills you. Just spend more and more money. Anyway, in the background, as you can see, I have the Bluetti on the counter here. I use that for when we travel to keep our devices charged up and also to keep all of our cameras and phones and whatever you might use to charge up. But a few months ago, I shared with you some of the cameras we use for our YouTube channel. We have the GoPro that we use out and about. Works pretty good. This is an older one. This is a black, the GoPro 7. This is my wife's favorite one. This is the Insta360. It films in 360 degrees, so when you move it around or whatever, it's pretty cool. It'll literally film in 360 and this invisible joystick, so when you hold it, this thing is invisible, so it looks like the camera's floating in the air. Also, I'm using, of course, filming this on the Osmo Pocket 3. That's our exclusive camera that I use all the time for whatever we're doing. But the newest toy that I got, this is the Osmo Mobile SE, and it hooks to your phone, and it's amazing what iPhones and other phones will do nowadays. I mean, they're just pretty much as good as some of these cameras that I use. I mean, as far as taking pictures and filming. But this thing here is pretty cool. So I'm going to share with you a little bit about how it works. What you do is you grab your phone, and there's this little magnetic mount on the back that you have to put on. So you have to have a case that has the magnet on it. But this thing here goes on the back, and this will attach to your device there. And I'll show you in a minute once I get this all hooked up. So you got to make sure when you're putting this on that there's a little thing there where it says it has to be pointed to the camera. There's a little tag on the side that you have to make sure it fits on the camera correctly. So I just got this yesterday, so I've been playing with it. Haven't really used it much, but anyway, you'll see this little tag on the side that'll say camera. So this has to be pointed to where your camera is. So the next thing you do is you take this and you open it up, and then you place your phone, and it'll tell you which direction that it must go on in order for it to work properly. So there it is. It's magnetically set on there. Then once you do is just turn it on. You push the button, turn it on, and it automatically will flip in the right direction for what you want it to use. And then there's all types of buttons on here to use it to record. So you don't even have to touch your phone. You just hit the record button. You can move it around in different directions. It'll film in all different types of directions. It has a zoom button on the side that will zoom the camera in and out. So that's about it for now. I really haven't tried it out yet. From what I've seen and heard, this is a pretty cool device. So I'm looking forward to using it, and I'll give you an update. And when I film something on it, I'll let you know. And I appreciate you watching. If you enjoy what we're doing here on our channel, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Just hit the subscribe button. You'll be notified when all of our new videos come out. Share the channel with all your friends and family, your enemies, whoever it might be. Leave a comment down below. I appreciate those comments, and I do answer all of them. It makes us happy, and it'll make YouTube happy in order for when people see, or I should say when YouTube sees that people are liking and commenting and subscribing to the channel, they'll put more of our videos out there. So it's very important. So I appreciate your watching. Remember, your journey in life is as valuable as the destination. To be continued.